Hi, and welcome to another De Una Bite-Size Spanish lesson. In this audio, we will master basic but essential Spanish words that will help you get by. We'll do this in two stages. The first will be what we will call the minimum, followed by some things you need to know. So let's get stuck in. Hola, 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 hola. This means hello in Spanish. Adiós, 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 adiós. This means goodbye in Spanish. ¿Hablas inglés? ¿Hablas inglés? ¿Hablas inglés? ¿Hablas inglés? This means, do you speak English? This was our basic Spanish. Hola, adiós, and hablas inglés. Now, let's move on to some more advanced words that would be good to know. Sí, sí, sí. This means yes, no, no. This is the same as it is in English and means no. Por favor, por favor, por favor, por favor. This means please. Muchas gracias. Muchas gracias. Muchas gracias. Muchas gracias. This means thank you very much. De nada. De nada. De nada. De nada. This means no problem. Well done, and thank you for listening to this De Una presentation.